Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your routing and account number in PayPal. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update your routing and account number in PayPal, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the settings menu, select the Money, Banks, and Cards option. Under the Banks and Cards section, click on Add a new account or select an existing bank account. If you are adding a new account, you will need to enter your bank account details. Provide your bank's routing number in the designated field. Next, enter your account number in the appropriate field. Double-check to ensure both numbers are correct before proceeding. After filling in the information, click on Continue. PayPal may initiate a verification process to confirm your bank account. Follow any instructions provided to complete this verification process. If you selected an existing bank account, you can update the routing or account number by selecting the account. Click on Edit next to the account you wish to update. Make the necessary changes to the routing or account number. Once you have made your changes, click on Save to finalize the update. Check your account to ensure the changes have been applied successfully. This completes the process of updating your routing and account number in PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.